Did you know that there's a place in Manila where time actually stands still? Welcome to the San Agustin Museum. From hidden chambers where empires surrounded to 400-year-old masterpieces, this isn't just museum, it's a time machine. Let's head inside and check out the highlights that you cannot miss. Welcome to the San Agustin Museum. This isn't just a building, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, that the oldest stone church in the Philippines. Completed in 1607, it has just survived over 400 years of major earthquakes, fires, and heavy bombings of World War II. Today, we're stepping inside why it's called the Soul of Manila. The ground floor features grand hallway called cloisters. As you walk and look at the walls, the painting here tell the story of the Augustinian mission across Asia and the Americas. The highlight of second floor is the car loft. Its feature of 68-hand cave mold roof stayed from the early 60s. Look up the ceiling, it's look like a 3D stone scraping, but it's actually flat painting using technique called trompe l'oeil trick of the eye, painted by Italian artists in the 80s. The museum also honors the Augustinian men of science. You can view the work of Father Manuel Blanco, as a famous botanist who wrote Flora de Filipinas. The museum even preserved rare books during banks of 50s in its. As we step back into the busy streets of modern day in Manila, it's incredible to think that these stone walls have stood over 400 years. The San Agustin Museum isn't just a collection of old artifacts, it's a living testament to the Filipino resilience, faith, and artistry. It reminds us that while the world around us changes, our history remains a solid foundation. Thanks for joining me in this tour to time. If you haven't visited it yet, make sure to add this UNESCO treasure to your Manila bucket list.